If your 4x4 reaches the last layer and the edges don't make sense, this video is for you. This is called OLL parity. It means that the last layer edges are flipped when they shouldn't be. And this happens because a 4x4 doesn't have fixed centers, so the last layer doesn't always follow the same rules as a 3x3. You don't need to memorize a bunch of algorithms. I'm going to show you a few options so that you can choose what's best for you. Make sure that the yellow's on top, and you don't have to have these two yellow flipped edges oriented in a specific way. This algorithm will work regardless. And I'll face them towards us just to make it easier to follow along. Now this is the standard OLL parity fix. Take these two right layers and go clockwise, up 2 times. Now we're going to take the cube on its x-axis and rotate it 1 time away from us, and that's clockwise. Take these two right layers, go clockwise 1 time, up 2 times, the two right layers clockwise, up 2 times, the two right layers prime, up 2 times, the two left layers clockwise, up 2 times, the two right layers prime, up 2 times, the two right layers clockwise, up 2 times, the two right layers prime, up 2 times, and the two right layers prime. And that's it. This fixes OLL parity every time. Some people prefer how this one flows. Take this inner right layer and go 2 times, back 2 times, up 2 times. Take this inner left layer and go towards us, which is clockwise, just 1 time, up 2 times. The inner right layer prime, up 2 times. The inner right layer clockwise, up 2 times, front 2 times, the inner right layer clockwise, front 2 times, the inner left layer, let's go prime, back 2 times, and then the inner right layer 2 times. Here's one more option so that you can see the difference. Different moves, same result. Take this inner right layer and go counterclockwise, which is prime towards us, up 2 times. The inner left layer clockwise, front 2 times. Take the inner left layer and go prime, front 2 times. The inner right layer 2 times, up 2 times. The inner right layer clockwise, up 2 times, the inner right layer prime, up 2 times, front 2 times, the inner right layer 2 times, and then front 2 times. Anytime your 4x4 hits any of these situations, you now know what to do. Your cube is now back to behaving like a 3x3.